Hello, this is Zdenka, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I've got some tips for you as well, and I'll show you some samples. Alright, let's open it up. This is how it looks like right here. It comes with this charging cable. If you're charging it first time, it will take forever with this. You actually need to use your charger, fast charger from your phone. 9 volts right here. Then you will have it charged within 2-3 hours. But with this one, it's gonna take forever. So I suggest using this one. Alright, so now that you have your Osmo Mobile 2 fully charged, it's time to grab the phone. And my phone is actually Samsung S6, and they say Osmo Mobile 2 works great with a bigger phone, so I've got this one. But if you actually have a bulky case over it, it would be best to take it off to have a proper fit. So you grab it like that, that bottom part where you click goes right here. So you put it in. Make sure it is all the way in. You get the perfect fit right there. Now that we put our phone in, it's time to balance it. As you can tell, it is hanging this way. It's not supposed to be like this. So there is a little circle in the back here, right here. You pretty much have to unlock it, and we will move it in or out. Now we have to also balance this part. It shouldn't be hanging like this. So now you have to unlock this part, and we move it back and forth. And you will obviously lock it. So this is how it looks like when the proper balance is taking place, or you move it this way, and this is how it looks like. So now that you turn it on, let's look at some buttons. So this big joystick button will move the phone up and down, just like that, and to the right and to the left. Now look at the M button right here. When you press it once, the light will turn yellow, and this means that this is in lock position. So you lock the subject and you can pretty much move it in all kinds of directions. It will always stay in lock position. Now when you press it again, the light will turn green, and now you can move it. It's free mode in any kind of position. I will start turning for you. Now to change the view of the camera from back to the front, all you have to do is press it once to make sure it is on a yellow light, and then in the lock position, and then press it 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and the camera will change. Well, hello there. And if you want to put it back again, 1, 2, 3, and you're turning that way. If I end up, for example, like this, and I want to reset the phone to the center position, all I have to do is press the M button twice, and it's back to reset. The red button here, it's for start recording and stop recording. You can also take photos. So you switch it here on the top, and then you press the red button to take the desired photo. If you are using iPhone phone, you will get a lot more options. If you have a Samsung phone like me, you are not gonna be able to get a slow motion here. But if you still want to do a slow motion, all you have to do is go to back to your regular phone and click on the camera. Choose slow motion right here setting, and you will be able to do slow motion. You're not going to be able to use the red button here, but you will have to press it manually. And everything else, the joystick will still work. You will be able to create nice slow motion in this video mode. Now it is on automatic exposure right now, but if you want to expose it yourself, all you have to do is tap anywhere on the photo. It will also focus that photo, and if you want to manually adjust the exposure, all you have to do is bring it up or bring it down to make it lighter or darker. If you have it in a selfie mode and you press this button, there's gonna be a green square. You press on the face, and it will just automatically follow you in any direction you go. To get out of it, you just press the green square again. So if you ask me how much I like this DJI Osmo Mobile 2, I totally love it. Honestly, it's my favorite tool. I'm taking it with me everywhere. It's always in my purse. I like about it, it's small. I can actually fit it in my purse and I'm always ready to roll. It's amazing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because there will be more tutorials and technical reviews as well. Also, don't forget I have mobile photography contests going on. Information is right here, so when you click, it will take you to the next video. If you have any questions and comments or you would like to request a video on a certain topic, don't be shy, just write it below in the description of the video. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ahoy.